Experiencing voicemail setup issues on your Cricket wireless device? This is a common problem with several straightforward solutions. Problems often arise after software updates due to compatibility issues between your phone's operating system and the Cricket Visual Voicemail app. Account provisioning, especially when switching from Android to iPhone, can also cause issues. Start with these basic troubleshooting steps. Ensure you have a strong cellular or Wi Fi connection. Then restart your device. Check for software updates, and if you're on Android, clear the Visual Voicemail app cache. If basic voicemail hasn't been used in a while, it may be deprovisioned by the network. To set up basic voicemail, dial *99, create a 4 to 7 digit PIN, and record your greeting. These troubleshooting steps resolve most Cricket wireless voicemail setup issues. Start with a network connection and restart, then proceed through the other solutions as needed. When basic troubleshooting fails, resetting your network settings often resolves voicemail connectivity issues. This process clears all network configurations and restores default settings. For iPhone users, the process is slightly different but equally effective. Navigate through the Settings menu to find the Network Reset option. If Network Reset doesn't solve the issue, try resetting your voicemail password. Cricket provides two convenient methods for this. Several other fixes can resolve persistent voicemail issues. These include disabling call forwarding, reinstalling the Visual Voicemail app, and checking for SIM card routing problems. If all troubleshooting steps fail, contact Cricket Wireless support directly. Also, ensure your device has sufficient network coverage, as poor signal strength can prevent voicemail from functioning properly.